Crazy burrito time here on How to Cook. I'm making a teriyaki burrito. What is that? It's a teriyaki bowl and a burrito. Yeah, it's kind of what it sounds like. But if you've seen anyone else do this, they probably did it wrong, because I was trying to find examples of this and I found Tex-Mex stuff with anyways, we'll get into that. I have a secret sauce in here. You're going to need to know how to make that if you want to make this, so you got to stick around because it's about to get crazy burrito time up in here. Yep. All right, let's get started. For this crazy burrito, we're going to need just 3 simple ingredients plus a sauce. We'll go over that later. But it's a teriyaki bowl. So what does a teriyaki bowl have in it? It has rice, it has teriyaki chicken, and it has broccoli. Yes, who had broccoli on their How to Cook bingo card? Nobody. Congratulations, you're seeing it here for the first time, well, second or third time probably, but no one saw those earlier videos, so they don't count. Yes, I use broccoli. I use a lot of broccoli, actually. I have grown my own broccoli. I'm not doing that now because I don't have a garden. But we have rice here that is not the freshest rice ever. This is day-old rice. Made it, put it in the fridge. That's going to be important in a second. We'll go over that. We have chicken here. This is chicken thighs. Bone-in, skin-on thighs, marinated in teriyaki sauce, grilled over a low temperature, about 45 minutes. Be very careful, these like to catch fire, so if you have a grill that's prone to catching fire, don't go far. But yeah, low temperature, 45 minutes, these cook perfectly, and they're delicious and juicy and amazing. These were made last night as well. So, with rice and that, are you getting the sense this is just me throwing together a thing for my leftovers? No, I swear it's not. The broccoli. This is uncooked, raw, just little pieces. Some of these are a little bit bigger, but what we're going to do to this in the stir fry and the wok, oh, I gave it away. We are going to cook this down, and it's going to be all delicious and wonderful. So, without further ado or adon'ts, we're going to go over to the wok and get this cooked up, and then make a burrito. Our wok is getting nice and hot here over medium-high heat. We've got olive oil. We've got a little toasted sesame oil going in. Very little. Don't go crazy with that. We've got our raw broccoli here that's chopped up in the smallest pieces, small-ish, because they cook nicely. We've got a little soy sauce going in, and now we've got that beautiful cinematic effect of the steam rising past the camera. Looks as beautiful as it tastes, folks. We've got our rice going in. We're just heating this up, absorbing some of these wonderful flavors and the bits that have been coming off of that. Now we've got our chicken going down. This is 2 chicken thighs that were deboned after cooking and chopped into pieces of the size you see on your screen. And that's basically it. Just pull this out and set it in the bowl real quick, because she's done. All we were doing was basically reheating there. We've got our 12-inch flour tortilla sitting in our 14-inch Comal cast iron pan getting hot. Let's make a burrito. Okay, this is out of the wok. We're going to need a sauce. I'm going to make this super quick because that's what we need to do, because we don't want this video to be an hour long. All right, so I have some teriyaki sauce. You can make your own teriyaki sauce. I happen to love this stuff here. I'll show you this. This stuff is really, really good. There's some really crappy teriyaki sauce out there. This used to have the brown label on it. Now it has a pink label on it. It's the same stuff. It's full of like sesame seeds and other fun stuff in there. But this is delicious. We're going to use a fair amount of it because we can. What is the next key ingredient? Sriracha. It does not have to be the actual, stuff, because this guy sucks. Get the other stuff from another brand, because this guy is literally scum of the earth, allegedly. So I've heard, in my opinion, what others have said. So don't support that guy. I've had that bottle for a while. I accidentally bought a case of it before I knew he was who he was. So I have a bunch, but just a little bit. This right here is Hoisin sauce. I'll show you this. Hoisin sauce. You don't know what Hoisin is? It's Chinese barbecue sauce, and it's not really, but it's going to remind you of a Chinese barbecue sauce, and it is delicious, and that makes wonderful sauces like this. We shall find out how this tastes in 2 seconds. I may need to add some soy to this, thin it out, but I don't think so. I think you want this kind of thicker, and this is thick and gelatinous. Well, let's see, what have we got? Need more Need more heat. It needs more heat. Okay, a little more. Yeah, I'm a crazy person. Don't add hot stuff if you don't like hot stuff. Other pinky. See, that's the beautiful thing about the pinky taste. You've got two of them. Two chances. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, we have sauce. We have all of our food. Well, I need a tortilla. Hold on one second. Who is betting that I overstuff this thing? Okay, now we're all in agreement. Let's just give this a quick toss to make sure that it's really mixed up really well, because we want to get as much of the loveliness in here as possible. It ain't all gonna fit, folks. Like I said, one of you is gonna win a burrito. No, you're not. I can't do giveaways of food. A, I don't know how to ship that, and B, I'm not telling you where I live. Nothing personal. Have you met the internet? Yeah, okay, one more. Now one more. There. Just get an idea. Maybe I can squeeze a little more in here. Maybe I can with it. Oh yeah, I can easily get a couple more pieces in here. Come on. I was just gun shy after a couple of these burritos have gone wrong. You gotta be careful. Yeah, that'll work perfect. Okay, we're gonna need this sauce. We're gonna need to sauce this thing like there's no tomorrow. Yes, we are. All this wonderful, yummy sauce, because teriyaki is a sauce, so you need to have sauce in your teriyaki burrito. Okay, that is looking pretty amazing. I'm gonna set this over here. Now we just have this. Burrito gods be with me. Oh, okay, maybe that last little bit wasn't the best idea in the world. Oh, but that right there. Will, can you turn it into a burrito? Yeah. Should you? We're about to find out. I'm going to put this thing back on the comal and get it hot. We'll get this thing grilled and pretty, and then we'll come back and eat this thing. Oh, yeah, we will. Back to the 14-inch comal. We're just going to grill this thing up on a couple of sides, make it super delicious, make it pretty, and it is time to eat a burrito. She's nicely toasted. And there's only one thing left to do. Cut it, eat it, do the thumbnail, taste it, say thanks for watching. Okay, there's more than one thing to do. But we're not going to get any of it done until we start. So here we go. That is gorgeous, first of all. Let's just say it. Let's just all agree. That is a thing of beauty. This is, this burrito. Oh, yeah, it did. Oh, how's this taste, though? Let's find out. Seems like a lot of rice on this end. I'm going to grab this guy because this guy has all the chicken. But you know what I'm going to do first? Thumbnails. Hold on. All right, folks. This moment I'm waiting for. Oh, I'm going in on this thing. This looks amazing. Where has this been my whole life? I'm excited. It's my little baby. I'm seriously though. I'm eating. Oh yeah. Holy crap, that is so good. Oh, the hoisin is amazing. If you've ever had mushu, you know the hoisin. It's the sauce that you put inside the mushu pancake before you put all the filling in. That is a flavor that's in this, so it kind of gives you that mushu flavor a little bit because it put a little bit of the hoisin in. The heat from the sriracha, the sweetness from the teriyaki, the rest is just, oh, it's exactly what you think it's going to taste like, but better. And the tortilla just gives that little bit of crunch and snap and texture on it. Okay, I may not have invented this, but I'm pretty sure I just perfected it. That is a teriyaki burrito, and you are welcome, because that's friggin' delicious. Oh, that's the kind of stuff you come here for, right? Doing crazy burritos, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. That one works. That one's amazing. And I'm going to do a lot more of this and other stuff, and hopefully I'll see you on those future videos. And if you like this stuff, you can always hit the thumbs up down there. I hate asking for this stuff anymore. I know some people, you taboo, you're not supposed to do that anymore. What do I know? I know nothing. I'm an idiot. So, help me out with a subscribe or a like or a comments. Please comment, because I love comments. I do. What else I love is seeing you on the next video in smooth transitions. Thanks for watching this one. Hopefully I see you in the next one. And until then, have a good one.